Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market puts SPY and triple Q gapping down. There is a clear downtrend, but I'll wait for confirmation. I would like triple Q and SPY to break the pre-market low and continue lower. Only then I'll be interested to the put side. But as usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. Nvidia and Tesla trading below yesterday's closing price, showing some weakness, but right now, I think they're reversing. I'll wait to see whether they can break pre-market lows and continue lower. Amazon, yesterday, after market close, they announced a 20-for-1 stock split, which took the stock from $2,780 to around $3,090. Right now, I don't have a clear indication on how Amazon wants to trade today. So I'll wait. We do have around 4 minutes to market open. I'll go ahead and pause and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Amazon and Tesla. There's a massive drop from 850 to 843. See how Amazon reversed. Tesla also making a move. Right now, no clear direction on where the stocks want to head. I think it's going to trade within this range of 850 and 842. Unless it breaks out of this range, I'll not have any setups. So I'll go ahead and pause. Tesla approaching the 842 area. Can Tesla break it? Yep, looks like it's breaking. I like triple Q also to break this area, 328.90 area. Only then I'll be interested in shorting Tesla. Not liking it yet because triple Q bouncing off the 329 area. On Nvidia, I think we have a good chance shorting at 225, going with 5 of them, getting at 425. Yep, 5 contracts I'm in. Taking some at 445. 2 contracts, now just holding 3, taking another 2 at 440. Yep, now just holding 1 contract. Select. Finally, after 6 to 7 days, I finally got 1 trade. Happy to be green on the day, making $146. I'll take it. I got in at 425, sold some at 445, and then the final 1 contract at 502. The idea here is not to recoup all my losses, but to build my confidence back. So 1 green trade each day, I think it really helps. That being said, I'll call it a day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making close to around $146 in less than 3 minutes being on the trade. I'll take it. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.